snapchat-kay ku jira waan isalaamay dad badan baa dhahay af Soomaali maxaa ku hadli weysay iyo af Soomaali ma taqaanta. Of course I know Somali, of course. dadkayga waan jeclahay Somali people waan jeclahay laakiin dadka oo old people aan la hadlayaa hey old people listen Somali marka ku hadlayo sidaan u hadlayo ha ii fiirsan وانا معنا الحاس مركا لي في رسالة في صومالك سلا كوارلا وقوي يا سقوي وكذا ميا نك تشوف حاس في صومالك والوقت قروح بال وقتها لكن إذا كسر تبكوا هين مركا في إنجليز كل شيء أصلا ده هذي. Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Kathy. I'll be assisting you today. What would you like at Starbucks? وهي معانا محوها وهي بيه كدود كيا. Yeah. I need juice. Juice, please. I like juice. Starbucks. I'm so sorry that we don't have translators here at Starbucks. This is America, so we do speak English here. We have drinks up there, or orange juice, apple juice. What do you need? The way they give it to I need juice. Juicy cappuccino, like juice cappuccino. This is Starbucks. Starbucks not. You know what? I'll just fix you up something nice. It's on the house. Go sit down. I'll go get it for you, and next time, do me a favor, please learn better English. So the point I'm trying to make is, I might be a Somali fob. I might be a fob when I speak Somali, but you will always be a fob when you speak in English. Fair game. But, with all due respect, I still like Somali music. Normally I just, record my videos inside my car, but I saw a big-ass raccoon, which is why I'm inside my house right now at the moment, where my family is staring at me. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.